Hello, I'm Dr. Natalie Kenny, a proud Southport resident and CEO of the BioGrad Group, with roots set deep in the Liverpool City region. I'm thrilled to share that through recent collaborations with Southport Learning Trust and Southport Education Group, in partnership with Noversight, we have donated £65,000 worth of industry-grade equipment to local schools and colleges. This, paired with free training for science teachers and technicians, engages over 9,500 local students aged 11 to 19 to bring science to life. With the UK striving to become a science superpower, it is essential that we inspire students early and provide them with genuine pathways into industry, enabling them to make meaningful contributions through their future careers. That's why local students aged 16 to 19 have access to scholarship places on our DOV-approved clinical and laboratory training courses, allowing them to gain crucial early experience in science and medicine. I'm also delighted to share that BioGrad has partnered with one of the UK's largest liquid medicine manufacturers, also based in Southport, to upskill 130 people through skills bootcamps with the support of Liverpool City Region Combined Authority. These efforts are all about developing a local talent pipeline and driving growth in the local life science sector, and we could not be more proud to be playing our part.